Alright, what's up guys? It's your boy Dane Visuals here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about these fruity essential oils. Now guys, I'm a big believer on nice smells. I personally love citrusy smells, so like orange, tangerine, basically anything, grapefruit, anything citrusy. And I saw this and I was like, wow, I have to get this. Now, what I love about this is that it's not just citrusy. It basically has like a bunch of different like amazing smells. So for me personally, I use my essential oils in my diffuser, but I also use them in my beard as well. So whenever like I oil my beard up, then I just, I sometimes tend to use more manly scents, but in the event that I'm in the mood for like something more tropical or fruit vibes, then I would use one of these. So like, for instance, right here, you have orange. This is one of my favorites. I like always use orange. Pear, lemon, apple, strawberry. I mean, definitely it will have not only your surroundings smelling fruity, but it's something you can also, it's safe to use on skin. It's just safe to use for any purpose. So if you like natural essential oils, I think this is something that I'd highly recommend for you. Let me just go through some of them and tell you my favorites. Personally, I have a bunch of favorites in this. I think mango is one of my favorites. I haven't tried cantaloupe. Coconut is amazing. I like cherry. It's pretty much ideal for anybody that likes to get like an extra fruity scent. So, drop them in a diffuser, drop them in like whatever oil you're using. If you're using it in your hair, you can just add like a few drops. You don't need to use a bunch of drops, and it will have everything smelling like amazing. So highly recommend. And I mean, look at how much you get. This is a lot of options, so like you'll never run out of combinations. You can even combine them if you want. So yeah, it's pretty big. It's a pretty big one for me. I love it, and I've had it for like maybe like a couple of weeks, and I'm nowhere close to finishing them because like I only need like 2 or 3 drops to have the place smelling exactly how I want it to smell. So yeah, definitely check it out if you're interested in getting, some nice fruity scents.